Welcome to my life and moments in China, and it seems like the long-awaited trade deal between the US and China has finally been reached. And before we go on to the trade deal, which is going to be on my next video when the details have been revealed, I just want to talk about our experience and our observation during this tariff war. What has been happening, we've seen the Chinese manufacturers are trying to work with other countries, supply to diversify their market, and only manufacturers that were dependent on the US market were the only ones that have been affected, really. Now, what we saw from the US side was retailers complaining about not being able to know whether they will still be trading in about 2 months or so, or the course of the year. As the tariffs have affected their way of doing business, we've been seeing inventories on standstill, products being left at the ports, distributors and retailers in the US not knowing what to do, because not only these tariffs were on China, they were on the rest of the world. And when we get the details of this trade deal, we're going to compare it to other countries which have already agreed on a trade deal, like the UK and Canada. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. And also, I'll be talking about what Trump is calling the economic trade reset with China.